I'll never forget the bygone days and the sweetheart of long, long ago. We'd stop there in the evening while the moon was sinking low. Her little oak hut was a pleasure to see when the roses were in bloom. We'd sit there on the old settee while kindly we would spoon where the red, red rose